Dear Daddy Pops, I'm writing this letter with a heavy heart and a mind na sobrang magulo. Hoping you can help me understand what I'm feeling. Ako po si Danica and I want to share something that's been bothering me for years. Lumaki po ako sa Sorsogon at ang kababata ko si Markwen. Magkaklase kami, magkapitbahay, at halos araw-araw magkasama. Sabay kumain, sabay gumawa ng assignments, sabay uuwi. Our moms would always tease us na, "Uy, paglaki nyo, baka kayo rin ang magkatuluyan." And deep inside, I think I believe it. Years pass, we built our own lives. Si Marco became a successful bachelor engineer. Kilala bilang habulin ng mga babae, good looks, stable job, at may napundar para sa pamilya. And me, I'm doing well in the corporate world. But the truth, Daddy Pops, I held onto something, the silent expectation na someday, siya ang magiging akin. Sanay kasi ako na andyan siya. Sanay ako na kasama niya. And I thought maybe he felt the same. Pero napikot ang puso ko the moment I saw him again sa kasal ng kaklase namin. Hindi na ako ang plus one niya. He was with another woman. And I stood there smiling, pretending I was okay. Pero sa loob, parang may biglang gumuho. Daddy Pops, how do you let go of something na hindi naman nag-start? How do you move on from someone na wala namang pangako pero buong puso mong inaasahan? I know life isn't a childhood love story, pero ang hirap tanggapin na maybe I was the only one holding on to it. Please, Daddy Pops, give me the kind of advice na kailangan kong marinig. Kahit masakit, I need to understand how to free myself from being this feeling. Love, Danica. Mga kapatid, isa na namang sulat ang kailangan natin bigyan ng payo. Sulat galing kay Danica ng Sorsogon. At talagang mabigat yung problema niya. Kasi bata pa lang sila, kasama na sila ng Margaret. Alam mo, Danica, una sa lahat, gusto kitang yakapin. I can feel how long you've been carrying this. And I know hindi biro ang sakit na dulot ng isang pag-asang tahimik mong inaalagaan for years. Let me tell you something real, ha? Hindi ka tanga. Hindi ka ilusyonada. Tao ka. And you held on to something beautiful. A childhood connection. A history. A comfort. That doesn't make you weak. It makes you human. But Danica, hindi lahat ng sabay lumaki, sabay tatanda ng magkatabi. Sometimes, childhood closeness feels like destiny. Pero sa kanya, it was just a memory. At sa'yo, naging pangarap. And that's where the pain came from. You expected him to choose you because he always used to. But here's the truth you need to accept. If he wanted you, he would have moved. If he felt the same, you wouldn't be guessing. If you were his future, you didn't meet him while he's holding someone else's hands. Masakit yan, pero kailangan mong marinig. Your value is not measured by who didn't choose you. Hindi nababawasan ang ganda mo, ang achievements mo, ang worth mo. Just because the one you wanted somebody else. That only means one thing. Hindi siya ang nakatadhana para sa iyo at hindi mo trabaho pilitin yun. Danica, you deserve a love na hindi mo kailangang hintayin, ang hindi mo kailangang i-earn, ang hindi mo kailangang hulaan. Darating yung lalaking hindi mo kilala mula pagkabata, pero mararamdaman mo, ito pala yung hindi ako iniwan sa hangin. Let this go. Gently, slowly, pero tuluyan. Not because you lost, but because you gained clarity. And one day, you'll thank life for not giving you Margaret. Dahil may inihahandang mas matatag, mas sigurado, at mas para sa iyo.